You stay motivated for a few days, even after setting goals, watching videos, and promising yourself this time will be different. You push hard, then fall back into the same habits again. What if you could rewire your brain so success feels automatic instead of forced? In this video, I'll share 6 neuroscience-backed techniques that can reprogram how your brain works and help you build focus, discipline, and confidence in just 3 weeks. I discovered this when I realized motivation wasn't my real problem. My brain wiring was. Research shows your brain is neuroplastic, meaning it physically rewires itself based on what you repeatedly think and do. The problem is, most people try to change results without changing the mental patterns creating them. That's why progress never lasts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to retrain your brain over the next 21 days so success starts working with you, not against you. Let's begin. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people try to change what they do, but never change who they believe they are. Your brain doesn't respond to goals, it responds to identity. When you say, "I'm trying to be successful," your brain hears uncertainty. But when you say, "I'm the type of person who succeeds," your actions start aligning automatically. Research from Stanford shows behavior change becomes permanent when it matches identity. Your brain wants consistency between how you see yourself and how you act. That's why small identity shifts create big results. To apply this, write one simple sentence. I am the type of person who shows up daily. Or I am the type of person who finishes what they start. Then prove it with tiny actions every day. Stop saying I'm lazy or I'm bad at this. Even a 2-minute action is enough to reinforce the new identity. But that's not all. Your brain is also controlled by dopamine, the motivation chemical. Most people don't know this, but your brain becomes addicted to easy rewards. When you get dopamine from scrolling, junk food, or constant entertainment, effort starts to feel painful. Studies show frequent dopamine spikes reduce focus and increase procrastination. Your brain adapts to whatever you reward it with. To reprogram this, delay rewards until after effort. Remove instant dopamine before work. Celebrate effort, not results. Instead of checking your phone first thing, do the hard task first, then reward yourself. Over time, your brain starts craving progress instead of distraction. This brings us to something critical. Your brain rewires through repetition, not intensity. Neural pathways strengthen when the same behavior is repeated consistently. Neuroscience shows that around 3 weeks of daily repetition is enough to build a strong neural loop. Think of habits like paths in a forest. The more you walk one path, the clearer it becomes. To use this, choose only one habit for the next 21 days. Attach it to something you already do, like after brushing your teeth or before sleeping. Track consistency, not perfection. 5 minutes every day is far more powerful than one intense session per week. Now, you might be thinking your thoughts control you. In reality, you can learn to step back from them. This is where thought labeling comes in. Instead of fighting negative thoughts, you name them. When you label a thought as fear, doubt, or resistance, you create distance from it. Research from UCLA shows that labeling emotions reduces activity in the emotional part of the brain and increases control. The next time your mind says, "I can't do this," don't argue with it. Say, "I'm noticing fear," and then take action anyway. Action retrains the brain faster than thinking ever will. Here's something most people underestimate. Your environment is shaping your brain silently. Willpower is limited, but environment is powerful. Studies show behavior is more influenced by surroundings than motivation. Your brain follows visual cues to save energy. Clutter creates mental noise. To fix this, remove friction for good habits and add friction for bad ones. Keep distractions out of sight. Put tools for your goals within reach. If your phone is always near you, your brain will keep choosing it. Design your space so the right action becomes the easiest one. And finally, this is what separates high performers quietly: daily mental rehearsal. This isn't about imagining success. It's about imagining effort. Athletes use this because the brain activates the same neural pathways during visualization as it does during real practice. Spend 1 minute each day visualizing yourself starting the task, handling resistance, and staying calm when it gets uncomfortable. Don't imagine perfection. Imagine persistence. Your brain starts treating hard actions as familiar instead of threatening. Let's quickly review what you learned today. Identity shapes behavior. Dopamine controls motivation. Repetition builds neural loops. Thoughts lose power when labeled. Environment beats willpower. And mental rehearsal strengthens action. Success isn't about forcing yourself harder. It's about rewiring. The system running quietly in the background. You already have everything you need. The only difference between where you are now and where you want to be is the patterns you repeat daily. Don't wait until another month passes feeling stuck. Start with just one technique today. 3 weeks from now, your thinking will feel different, your actions will feel easier, and your confidence will be stronger. If this helped you, like the video so more people can see it. Subscribe for more brain-based self-improvement content. Comment below which technique you'll start today. And if you want to build unstoppable discipline, watch the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.